Sri Akbaruddin Owaisi.
Honorable Speaker, sir. Sir, I thank you very much for giving me the opportunity, sir. Sir, first and foremost, the most important question I would like to ask through you to Honorable Minister, who is also Minister for Legislative Affairs, sir, is that what is the relationship between Musi and Miralam? Is Miralam part of Musi or Miralam is separate? As per my knowledge, sir, Miralam has nothing to do with Musi, sir. I don't know how did the office of a secretary Saab accepted such a question where they are talking about two subjects. One is Musi, one is Miralam. Sir, whenever any issue is raised in zero hour also, we are supposed to raise an issue pertaining to a single issue. Two issues, three issues cannot be clubbed in that. An Honorable Minister Saab, who is also a Legislative Affairs Minister, is giving a reply. Sir, a member will give any question. It is the duty of the office of the Secretary, Legislative Affairs, that he should look into that, what is the concern, and he should correct the questions and then admit the questions. So I think it's high time that government should take a serious note in such things, and the performance needs to be improved. I hope they will take it serious and improve themselves and also this, sir. It is very sad, sir. Sir, further going ahead, sir, Honorable Minister Saab had given a reply that consortium will study a plan, analysis, design, prepare and submit the following DPR in 18 months. Sir, through you I would like to ask specific questions because this is the question hour. When did this 18 months start? Because we are already hearing this Musi project right from the day the new government took oath, and it's 2 years. What do you mean by saying this, reaching? Sir, I am not a very knowledgeable person, sir. The government, the bureaucrats, they have a lot of knowledge. They should tell, sir. Sir, I know, sir, आप भी वैखाराबाद से आते हैं, sir. जहां तक मुझे मालूम, सर, वैखाराबाद से वो आपके जो हिल्स है ना साहब ऊपर, अनंतगिरी हिल, सर, वहां से मूसी स्टार्ट होता है, जहां तक मुझे मालूम। तो मैं ये पूछना चाह रहा हूं, सर, मिनिस्टर साहब से, क्या आप मूसी प्रोजेक्ट को अनंतगिरी हिल से ले रहे हैं या नहीं ले रहे हैं? इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, सर। अगर ले रहे हैं तो आपने ये जो स्टडी के लिए जिसको भी जिम्मेदारी दी है, क्या आपने उनको ये भी जिम्मेदारी दी है कि अनंतगिरी हिल से आप खत्म जहां तक हो रहा है वहां तक स्टडी करना है? क्या ये 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 में वो इंक्लूडेड है या नहीं है? काइंडली इसका भी जवाब दीजिए, सर। और एक चीज मैं ये पूछना चाह रहा हूं, सर, यहां पे इसमें बोले हैं कि उस्मान सागर एंड हिमायत सागर बोल के बोले हैं साहब, बापू घाट तक 55 किलोमीटर, सर। सर, मैं ये भी जानना चाह रहा हूं, सर, कि इसमें आपने डिफेंस की लैंड के बारे में जिक्र किया है। सर, इसमें प्राइवेट लैंड्स कितने हैं? इसमें दूसरे प्रॉपर्टीज कितने हैं?